Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB app not updating. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable because updates require a good connection. Next, restart your phone and open the App Store again. Try the update. Then, head over to your settings app, go to General and then Storage and make sure that your phone has enough storage space. If your device's storage is full, the update may fail. On Android, you can also clear the Google Play Store cache by going to Settings, Apps, selecting Play Store, tapping Storage, and clearing the cache. If the updates still do not work, uninstall the DNB app and install the latest version again from the official App Store. That's how you fix the DNB app not updating. Subscribe for more simple and